name is Arpan Bhatnagar and I am student manager from Sri Balaji University, Pune, and currently pursuing my MBA in the field of marketing. So whenever I heard about this Indian Mobile Congress, I feel very excited, and I want to thank my college Sri Balaji University for giving me an opportunity to attend an event of such a big scale. So this event is all about technology and launching the 5G network. So as we all just witnessed almost 2.5 years of lockdown and pandemic, and I think that's the time we really understand the importance of technology. So from our education to our business, everything is completely dependent on network. So I think that's really a good time to launching a 5G network, and this is really a big and a revolutionary step in the Indian telecom industry. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Priyanka Pawar from BITM SBUP, and we are here for the IMC 2022. And I'm so privileged to be a part of this event, and I thank Sri Balaji University Pune to give us this opportunity, all the students who are here, to be a part of this event so that we would be able to interact with the stalwarts of the different organizations. And it's such a huge event. You would we have not ever thought of attending such thing at such a starting stage of our life.
Hello sir, my name is Harsh Gandhi. I am from Sri Balaji University, Pune. I am a student manager in Balaji University of Technology and Management, and it was a great experience the Balaji has offered to us, and I had a great experience here, and we have met different kind of delegates here, and it has improved our skills. And I have there the technology, the 5G is launched, and the 5G has helped the gaming industries to boom in the recent years, and it will be a great opportunity for the 5G for the gaming industries.
Hello, I am Vivek Raj, representing Sri Balaji University as an academic partner at IMC 2022. So today I have attended a session on automation network on 5G workloads, where Mr. Hira Gupta, President, Services and Network Operations of Reliance Jio, told that how everything is changing into AI, bots and zero touch.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Deshmukh, student manager at Balaji Institute of Technology and Management, SBUP. So today I attended the lecture on investment and funding for the telecom industry. This session conducted by our Minister of Telecom, Ashwini Vaishnav. They mentioned some important points which I noted. The first point is how to take our product globally. Second, he have promised to launch 100 5G labs across the country. Then he also talked about how we can launch a product or provide a product to the end users.
Hello, I'm Suchit Gaur from BITM SBUP. So I'm glad that I got a chance to visit this IMC 2022. Here I have learned so many things. The use of this 5G technology will help in reduction of carbon emission by 5%, which is a huge initiative that our government is also taking.
Hello, my name is Sumit Singh. I am from BITM, first year Business Analytics and Data Science. I am very privileged to come here, sponsored by my college, and I have learned lots of new things. In spite of being from commerce, I have learned about 5G in very deep. And from last 2 days, I have learned of various 5G, cloud computing, and what are the comparative data, what we can say machine learning, and about we can also say AI. It's a very hardcore technology sector here. Means every company has came to showcase their product and learning about it and what could be the future. And being a data analytics guy and learning about it is like opening ocean for me, and drinking each drop is impossible, but I am trying to do my better to learn about it.
SBUP IMC 2022.
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 SBUP IMC 2022. Thank you.